What's up, everybody? Ben Stucker here from MortgageCS with Max. Max, what's up?
Hello, everybody.
Max, what just happened?
I just bought my first house. First time doing it.
Very cool. So this is actually really interesting because we met for the first time almost 2 years ago.
Yep.
Right? You had just graduated college.
Yes, sir.
And you're like, I want to buy a house. How are we going to do this? And we sort of just kind of walked through the steps, and you established credit and you did all the stuff
You told me
needed to
everything
do.
I needed to do, step by step, and we followed the list, and here we are today.
Boom. And that's it, man. Congratulations, dude.
Thank you so
Very
much.
Cool.
Couldn't
Very
have done
cool.
it without you.
Well, I appreciate that. By the way, how was it working with Melissa?
Oh, it's great. It was great. She was very helpful. We did it all through email, so we didn't even have to go out of our way or anything. So it was very nice.
Very cool. Very cool. Well,
Very
congratulations, dude. We're super fired up for you.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your awesome house, and congratulations, my friend.
Thank you.
All right, cool. Guys, remember, if you're looking for a refi, if you're looking for a purchase, if you're a first-time home buyer, if you're a seasoned home buyer, come to MortgageCS, and we'll be sure to hook you up. Thanks.